Hey everybody, welcome to Kreationz, and we are back with another recycle class. I really like this one a lot. I grabbed a couple of different things so I could show you what I do. So these are just some common plastics that you find around the house, and I got some with some examples because I want to show you how I save money and how I make my house really clean. So let's go over the first one. So this is instant coffee, and I got this from the store, and whenever I'm done with it, I cleaned it out and I took the sticker off, and I put some pecans in here because when you open the bag of pecans, well, they'll get stale. But who wants a stale pecan? So I put them in here because on the top of this container is freeze-dried, has freeze-dried coffee in it, and it's a seal-proof container. So now when I go to eat my eat the pecans, they're gonna not be stale. Works great. Also, this one was applesauce. I ate the rest of it, so I should have kept one so I could show you. But I have all these electronic nuts and all these little pieces of electronic stuff. I do a lot of electronical work. Fix things. I did a lot of wiring in my home, but these get all over the place. All these little electronic wire nuts are everywhere. So now I put them in an applesauce container, and it has a lid, so if I drop it on the ground, guess what? Nothing happens. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! Great, I didn't have to pick up 50 nuts off the ground and waste my time because they're already in here, you know? Perfect, right? And as you see, you can stack them up on top of each other. I am a huge fan of peanut butter, and I know some people are allergic, so I won't harp on it, but it is a really good protein, and even the fat in it is good to burn off, so I love eating peanut butter. And as you can see, I took all my little drink mixies here and I put them in a container, so if I knock it over, if my cat knocks it over or something, won't spill any of these. Put my Jolly Ranchers in this one and sealed it. That way they don't go stale, they don't melt, they don't get nasty, and no bugs. The bugs cannot smell the candy now. I mean, who wants to go into somebody's house and they got a nice house and they have a bunch of candy to give somebody or for kids or whatever, for they like it, and you got little critters running around? No, I'll burn the house down before I have critters. So this is very sweet, this is very sweet, but now they're in smell proof. Yes, because this is oily. Peanut butter's oily, you know? And if it won't come through the top of this, then this sugar is not going to go through and no bugs can smell it and get in or out. And I even put my decaf, real coffee grounds in this, not this instant stuff. But the container of the Folgers that I got was like so big. It only had this little bit left in it, and I don't really drink this a lot. So would you rather have that container or a container like this? You know? I mean, you see the difference here? So this is not the instant. You know, I don't want people to be all picky in the comments. But if you only had a little bit of this left, you know, you're gonna use this, keep this whole container. Well, it's almost empty. Okay, so just downgrade to this one, and there you go. Now you can take this nice container. Did you hear how it seals to keep it fresh? Listen. Hear the snap? That means that this is still gonna keep an air seal tightness. And what I really like about these, it's got a little handle on it here. See the little handle? So you can just grab this and go. So I use these a lot in the shop because they're heavy. Put all kinds of stuff in here, you know, nails, screws, tools, sharp objects, anything you want. I have one that's full of lug nuts. It's probably 40 pounds and it still won't break through this. And the last little thing is like, even one of these. This is like Monet Total Green. So this is a food supplement to give you, you put a little dash of this, like a protein shake, and it gives you all these antioxidants and stuff. But this is a really pretty little jar. It's kind of like frosted. It's got this little green on it, you know, it's pretty cute. So I would just rip this sticker off that says Monet and wipe this all down, and then you have a cool little jar. You could put little soaps in this, or if you're gonna spend the night somewhere, you can stick a couple of soaps, your toothbrush, toothpaste, and a rag in here and close it up, and then it's protected, you know. I mean, you could do anything. You could put candies in this. You could put some things in your car and put them in here. A roll of napkins. If your kids are always spilling stuff, just stuff this full of napkins and close it up. And if you drop this in a puddle, oh no, I dropped this in a puddle. Oh man, all my napkins. Well, guess what? It doesn't matter. Your napkins aren't going to blow away, and they're not going to get wet because you've reused a jar. Now, I really like this because this is recycling. None of this stuff is going to go into the landfill. And I'm going to continuously be using this stuff over and over again. Or I'm going to make a couple of these and give like a set of it to my friends. Hey, come look at my garage. I got all these jars. Here you go. You can have 10, 15, 20 jars, label them up, put all your stuff on there, put your food in there, put your candies in there. If you do little crafts, put your different color yarns in there. Anything, food, drink, candy, tools, coffee, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to go out and buy Tupperware. You people are going out to Walmart and you're buying a package of 5 of these Tupperwares with a screw lid for $10. $10, $2 a piece for this. You know? Because it says Walleye Joe's Tupperware Company on it. You know, instead of saying Skippy on it. Or this, Hampton Farms, whatever. I don't care. I just saved $2 here. $2 here, $2 here, $2 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 things here. Let's throw this one in here too. Okay, there's 10 things there. I just saved $20 in Tupperware. You know what I'm saying? So please, it doesn't matter what other people think. It doesn't matter if people are like, oh, that's dumb. Look, you used that. That doesn't even look cute. I want something that looks cute. Well, if you want to spend all your money and look cute and then you're broke after the recession in America of 22, then go for it. But I'm going to continue to work my way up to millionaire status in the next couple of years. I'm very close. And this is why. Because I'm humble and I recycle and I use all of this stuff over and over again. So I hope that some of this touches your heart. I hope that some of these products that you find you can reuse and save money. This is very good for the recycling. And if you have any questions, comment down below. So if you like saving money, hit me up with the like, smash that like button, hit the subscribe. Support me, man. I gotta get subscribers so I can get some more monetization so that I can make more of these better videos for you guys. Alright, thanks for coming to Kreationz and visiting our channel. We love y'all. God bless. We're out.